Aurian tena yare tena pate loko enarema igoro ringare noko ke oyaitene ke Ambassador Nelson Ocheger, Uganda High Commissions to Nigeria, Ambassador Lieutenant General Charles Angina, Deputy Head of Missions Cairo, Egypt, Augustine Otuko, ka hosbon omodinge jaicheda, nyara ringare nok luebuito sa tiketa nako NRM, kanoa itemitem arebonatit airereori, alosikineta nuepate arebonate manifesto.
There are issues that are hampering our work on the ground. For example, our older colleagues have continued politicking. I'm talking about the MPs. I do not know what happens in other areas, but in the areas that we come from, the MPs do not link with us. They have preferred to continue working with their agents, even with government issues.
We have fought for this government. We are only remembered during electoral period. That's when we are remembered. But when you look at during this time, it's opposition who are brought on the table of eating. Yeah. And we are being left out. At the end of the day, it will affect our come 2026 election. Members of parliament are killing local councils on a very serious note. All these people you see, they are candidates, potential candidates of going to parliament. Amen. They have necessary papers. Now what those people are doing is to press and to see that these people don't get opportunities.
To identify the problems, we have to solve them. So the problems have been identified. We have to solve them.
Tupito ne gira nilo Apollo nilo epate alo NRM Rose na mayanja nesia bunge sida o ngichwa ationis naka ama musai nera ka Atiakatiaka kwapa ibore na ina ki Apollo na oteso ki Jesunu kwa.
I've noted in these meetings is that there is no information sharing between the districts and the local leaders. The LC3 chairmen or the LC3 leaders are the ones tasked with implementation. They are at the lowest level of implementation and service delivery. And I have noted that they do not have a lot of information of what is going on. So the appeal and the urge and really to tell the district leaders to share information about the parish development model, to share it with the local leaders, with the sub-county leaders, such that they can monitor this work.
Challenges with previous programs is because we introduced them and immediately operationalized them without refining mechanisms by which we will ensure that they work. We are determined that PDM must work.
Iche borolwa koto siteso kwa penatea inyaka kina ituku kaya program la puga nilo ebaka PDM nesia bue State Minister for Test Affairs Kenneth Ongalo Obote itachao ake kiro.
Every time the government says let us now begin from somewhere, it is we the people of Tesco who run to court. And when you run to court, what happens? Court will issue a stay of execution. Say, no, stop. We have to hear this case first before you continue. And this is what has been happening to us. Why can't we agree that what has happened has happened? That in this year's budget, there will be 50 billion for us to continue with the payments. It is not going to be everybody at once. It will take time.
The president made not just compensation alone, but presidential pledges. These meetings help us to identify those issues and then report back to government and ensure that processes are beginning to have them implemented.
Nuka TV East, Solomon Eramu, Koibuga Soroti.